Sum number 6. They are asking in what ratio is the joint 4, 3 and 2, minus 6 is divided by x-axis. So I'll draw the line first. I'll mark this as A 4, 3 and B 2, minus 6. Let it be divided by x-axis at P. So I will write Px, 0, because cut by x-axis means y coordinate is 0. Here I will write let the ratio be m:n. I will write let A be the coordinate 4, 3, B be the coordinate 2, minus 6, and then P, where the point of intersection I can say Px, 0, and the ratio I will write m:n. Now here first I will find the coordinate of y. Now we all know the formula. I have written formula so many times. So I will write the formula now. Py will be equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is section formula. Py is 0, m is unknown, y2 is, what is x1, y1? I will write with the pen, red pen, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So I will write m into y2. So y2 is minus 6 plus n into y1, n into 3 upon m plus n. Now take this m plus n here. So after multiplying with 0, I will get 0 into m plus n equals to minus 6m plus 3n. 6m will be equal to 3n. Why? Because this whole value is 0. So 6m will come to the left hand side. Therefore, or I'll show you this step. This value becomes 0 equals to minus 6m plus 3n. 6m equals to 3n. m upon n equals to 3 upon 6. So 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So m upon n will be equals to 1 upon 2. Now we know m is to n as 1 is to 2. Now we will find the coordinate of x. Px will be equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So Px will be equals to, what is m? 1. What is x2? x2 is 2. What is n? 2. What is x1? 4 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. Px will be equals to 2 plus 6 upon 3. So Px will be equals to 8 upon 3. So therefore coordinate of P will be 8 upon 3, 0. Again, just go through this sum. First you pause this video, see how I have solved this sum, then copy it in your notebook with each and every step. You can solve along with my steps in video. Now sum number 7. They are asking find the ratio in which the join of minus 4, 7 and 3, 0 is divided by y-axis. So first I will draw a line which has the given point, say A as minus 4, 7, B as 3, 0, and let point P be the point that is divided by y-axis. Here y-axis is intersecting, so I will write 0, py. Why 0, py? Because y-axis is touching at point P or intersecting at point P. Therefore its x coordinate will be 0. Let m is to n will be the ratio in which P divides AB. Now I will write let A be the coordinate having minus 4, 7. B will be having coordinate 3, 0. P is having coordinate 0, py, and ratio we are having m is to n. Now we have the formula. Here x coordinate is given as 0, so I will use x coordinate. Px equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now Px will be equals to, what is m? M is unknown. What is Px? In place of Px I will write 0 because it is given. 0 equals to m into. Now what is x1, y1? I will write with the red pen x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Now solve this sum. M into, what is x2? x2 is 3. N into what is x1? Minus 4 upon m plus n. So take this here, and when I multiply 0 into m plus n equals to 3m minus 4n, this will become 0 equals to 3m minus 4n. Minus 3m will be equals to minus 4n. Minus sign gets cancelled. M upon n will be equals to 4 upon 3. Therefore ratio is 4:3. So therefore ratio m is to n is 4:3. I will write 4:3 in the diagram. This is 4, this is 3. Now we have to find the coordinate of y, because they are asking find the coordinate of point of intersection. So first I will write py will be equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Py will be equals to, now m is known as 4 into y2. What is y2? 0. N into n is 3. What is y1? y1 is 7 upon m plus n, that is 4 plus 3. Py will be equals to 0 plus 21 upon 7. Py equals to 3. Therefore coordinate of p will be 0 and 3. Again just go through this sum, pause the video, see each and every step how it has been done, note down in your notebook, then I'll move to next sum. Now sum number 8, points A, B, C and D are 4 points that divide the line segment. The line segment joining the point 5, minus 10 and the origin in 5 equal parts. So first I'll draw the line and then mark the points minus 5, 10, 5, minus 10, 5, minus 10 and origin. Let this point I will mark as A and B, and let the, I have to write this as P and Q because A, B, C, D have been mentioned. So I will write P and Q. Point A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points that is dividing the given points P and Q in the 5 equal part, that is this, all these are equal. So what I will do, I will take point A first. Let this be AX, B and AY. Let this be BX and BY. Let this be CX and CY. Let this be DX and DY. Now let this be x1, y1, x2, y2. Suppose if I want to find the point A. Now consider diagram P, Q, A. So what we see, it is divided into how many parts? 5 equal parts. So this will be 1, the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be 4. So the ratio is 1:4. Ratio will be 1:4. We know this point is 5, minus 10. Write this as x1, y1, and Q write this as x2, y2. And we know that this is AX and AY. Now find the value of AX and AY. To find the value of AX and AY, for X we know the formula, section formula as m into x2. So what is Q given to be 0, 0? M into x2, that is 1 into 0 plus n is 4 into x1, mx2 plus nx1, that is 5 here, upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 4. On solving you will get x as 20 upon 5. So AX is 4. For y, write down the formula again, my2 plus ny1. So what is m here? 1. y2 is 0. n is 4. What is y1 minus 10 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 4. On solving, you can say you will get minus 40 upon 5, which is nothing but ay is minus 8. So I have got the coordinate for a. A coordinate is 4 comma minus 8. Now once you know this value, you can use the this midpoint formula to find b. We can use midpoint formula or use section formula only. For all the sum you can use section formula. Now to find b, let me explain. I will solve using two methods. This is p, this is a, and this is b. P is 5 comma minus 10, a is ax, that is 4 comma minus 8, and b is bx by. When you use this formula, this is a is the midpoint, I can say, because all are equal part. A is the midpoint of pb. You can use midpoint formula to find the value of bx and by. The midpoint formula is nothing but ax equals to, or I will write directly. What is midpoint formula? This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and we are having ax and ay. To write the formula ax and ay by using midpoint formula, we know that ax will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, and ay will be equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Ax is how much? 4. X1 is how much? 5. We don't know x2. X2 will be bx upon 2. Take 2 here. This will become 8. 8 equals to 5 plus bx. Then this will become 8 minus 5 equals to bx. Bx will be equals to 3. So you have got bx as 3. Now for ay, we know that ay is minus 8, y1 here is minus 10, y2 is by upon 2, minus 16 minus 10 plus by. Therefore by will be equals to minus 16 plus 10, minus 16 plus 10. By will be equals to minus 6. Therefore bx and by, the coordinate of b I will write directly, coordinate of b as 3 and minus 6. So you have got the coordinate of b also. To obtain the coordinate of c, again use the midpoint formula in this and solve it. Okay, and in this way you can solve. Now for midpoint of d, to find d, we will use the midpoint formula for this also. Now for part C, to obtain the part C, I will use again midpoint formula. If you want to use midpoint formula, we know that A is known, B is calculated, you can use C. A is 4 comma minus 8, B is 3 comma minus 6, and C is Cx Cy. So B midpoint formula, again this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is bx by. Again, what is the midpoint formula now? I will write bx equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So what is bx? Bx is 3, x1 is 4, x2 is cx upon 2. When you solve this, cx will be equals to 2. 6 minus 4 will be 2. And again same way by. By will be equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. By is nothing but minus 6. By is minus 6. Y1 is minus 8. Y2 is unknown upon 2. Minus 12 plus 8 equals to y2. When you solve, you will get y2. But what is y2? I will write y2 as cy. So this will be cy. This will be cy. Therefore cy is minus 4. So you got cx as 2 and minus 4. 2 and minus 4. bx you got 3n minus 6, a you got 4n minus 8. Now to find d, use midpoint formula in this. So I will use another color to solve midpoint formula. I will consider this line as C, D and Q. Q is 0, 0. C you got 2, minus 4, and we want to calculate dx, dy. Again I will use formula dx equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and dy as y1 plus y2 upon 2. So what is x1 and now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So dx is unknown, x1 is 2, x2 is 0 upon 2. On solving you will get dx as 1 and dy equals to, what is y1? y1 is here minus 4 and y2 is 0 upon 2. dy will be equals to minus 2. Therefore coordinate of d is also obtained as 1 and minus 2. So here you will write 1 and minus 2. In this way I have obtained all the values of a, b, c and d, coordinates of a, b, c and d. Now here we have used midpoint formula for b, c, d. Now another method, I will use section formula for all the part a, b, c, d. So with that method also I will explain you. Now here I will use section formula for everything: ax, ay, bx, by, cx, cy and dx, dy. Now consider first part. To obtain a, this is p, this is q and this is a. Now total there are 5 parts, so this will be 1 and this will be 4. This will be 1 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 part. 1:4. So p is 5 and minus 10, q is 0, 0, a is ax and ay. Use section formula for ax. Ax will be equals to m into x2, that is 0, plus n 4 into x1, that is 5 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 4. Ax is obtained as 20 upon 5, that is 4. In the same way solve for y. M into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So this will become ay will be equals to again 20 upon 5. I am sorry, for y you have to write here as minus 10. This is minus 10. You got minus 40 upon 5, which is nothing but minus 8. The coordinate of a is 4 and minus 8. Now I will find coordinate of b again by using section formula only. So I will draw a line for second part. Suppose this is line P and this is B and this is Q. Now this will be 2:3 ratio, because you can see this is 2 part and this is 3 part. So I will write 2:3. Again this is 5 and minus 10. This will be bx and by and this is 0, 0. Again use section formula for bx. It will be 2, that is m into x2, that is 0, plus n, that is 3, into x1, that is 5, upon m plus n, 2 plus 3. Solve this. On solving you will get 15 upon 5, which is nothing but 3. And for by you will write m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Here by will be minus 30 upon 5, that is minus 6. Therefore coordinate of b will be 3 and minus 6. Then come for the next part to find c. To find C, I will draw another line. This is P, this is Q, and this is C. Now this ratio is nothing but 3 is to 2. This is 3 and this is 2. P is 5 comma minus 10, Q is 0 comma 0, and this is Cx and Cy. Use section formula for Cx. You will get m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. On solving, you will get Cx as 10 upon 5, that is 2. And another part for Cy, you will write m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n, that is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. On solving this, you will get minus 20 upon 5, which is nothing but minus 4. Therefore, coordinate of C will be 2 and minus 4. Then come to coordinate D. To find coordinate of D, again I will use P, Q, D. Now this is 4 and this is 1. This is 5 comma minus 10 and this is 0 comma 0. Dx and dy. Again use section formula for dx. M into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. This will become dx will be equals to 5 upon 5. Dx is 1. Now for y, dy, you will find m into y2 plus n into y1, that is minus 10 upon m plus n. On solving, you will get minus 10 upon 5, that is minus 2. So dx is minus 2. Therefore coordinate of D is 1 and minus 2. So you have obtained all the coordinates here. I will mark with the this color pen. A, B is here, C is here, and D is here. So all these four paths are obtained by either using midpoint formula, which I did previously, or by using section formula the way I have done here. You can see on board. So you can pause this video, solve both the method in your notebook. Then we'll move to next sum. Now sum number 9. The line joining the points A minus 3 comma minus 10, B minus 2 comma 6 is divided by point P such that this is A minus 3 comma minus 10, B minus 2 comma 6, and this is P, such that PB is 1 and AB is 5. Now AB is 5, PB is 1, so then this will be 4. So we will obtain the coordinates of P now, Px, Py by section formula. We know that Px will be equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and Py will be equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now what is m? M is 4 into x2. Now I will write what is x1 and y1 to make it easier. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So I will write m into x2. What is x2? Minus 2 plus n is 1 into x1. x1 is minus 3 upon m plus n. M plus n is 4 plus 1. Px will be equals to minus 8 minus 3 upon 5. Px will be equals to minus 11 upon 5. This is the value of Px. Now Py will be equals to m. What is m? 4. What is y2? 6. What is n? 1. What is y1? 10 upon m plus n, that is 4 plus 1. Solve this. This is 24 plus 10, sorry, this is minus 10, so 24 minus 10 upon 5. Py will be 14 upon 5. Therefore, coordinate of P will be minus 11 upon 5 and 14 upon 5. So you can go through this video, this sum, and copy it in your notebook. Solve each and every step. Now we'll move to sum number 10. In this sum it is given P is a point on the line joining A 4, 3 and B minus 2, 6. Let this be line as A 4, 3 and B as minus 2, 6. P is any point such that 5AP equals to 2BP. So I will write AP upon BP as 2 upon 5. So AP will be 2, BP will be 5. Then use section formula to calculate Px and Py, that is coordinates of P. Let this be x1, y1, and let this be x2, y2. Let this be m and let this be n. So I'll write section formula for Px as mx2 plus nx1. M is 2. M into, I am writing the sum directly without formula. You have to write the formula also. That is m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. So Px will be equals to minus 4 plus 20 upon 7. Px will be equals to 16 upon 7. Now come to Py. Py will be my2. 2 into 6 plus n is 5. 5 into 3 upon m plus n. 2 plus 5. Py will be equals to 12 plus 15 upon 7. So Py will be equals to 27 upon 7. Therefore, coordinates of P will be 16 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. Just go through this sum, how it has been done, and copy it in your notebook.